Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to be showing you how to make tamarind rice using pre-cooked rice. So let's get started.
At first, heat some oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black gram dal, Bengal gram, some peanuts, and a few dried red chilies. Saute it well. Also add chopped onions, curry leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well. Now add tamarind juice and mix well. Then add some salt to taste. Also add a few spoons of sambar masala powder to it. You can add a bit of jaggery or sugar for a little sweetness to the mixture. Finally, add some asafoetida and grated copra. Mix well for some time, then add pre-cooked rice to it, combine well. Our tangy and tasty tamarind rice is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.